So today was a horrible day. Okay, it was an expiry in Nifty and Banknifty. So let me explain you why it was horrible. I'll again do the same. I'll use the same method like from opening price. So here it has opened. Okay. So first of all, it went up somewhere like close to 0.4%. Hit my call side SL. Then came back here somewhere here. I hit my put side SL. Then it came down by 0.3%. Hit the new entries put SL. Then coming back up hitting put entries. Then again call entries. Then again put entries. And then finally I was hoping for a flattish close at around 17,000. But market had its other plans, like it has to close like 100. The closing strike was 17,100 and not 17,000. But I had really high hopes because market was hovering around this range for the full day. But in the end, there was a up move of more than 0.82%. Okay, from open price. Now I have booked a loss of 5,327 rupees. So this is my okay. So the total loss that I booked was around 0.25% in minus on a capital of 20 lakh rupees. Okay, that's all for today. I think only one trading day is left in March series. That is not March series, but March. That is on the Friday. Okay, tomorrow is a holiday. So thankfully, I don't have to take losses tomorrow. So let's see. Like all the other indexes also, it behaved almost the same. Of course, Bank Nifty and Finnifty will act the same way. So yeah, see you tomorrow, and I will show you my quarterly report in the report section. I will show you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.